Good morning. Hi, I am the Moon Mama. Today is Monday. Monday is the day governed by the moon, and the moon is in Aries. So, the wonderful thing about Mondays and it being governed by the moon is that it really is, though many of us are getting ourselves off to work and starting our week, Monday is the day of the moon, and the moon governs our ability to nurture ourselves, our ability to create security for ourselves, um, our ability to um, our ability to nurture ourselves, our ability to create security for ourselves, and the our connection to our home, right? Home really first and foremost inside of ourselves. That's how we actually experience home, like being like, do you feel at home inside of yourself? Like wherever you go, do you take home with you? And then you have the experience of your home, the home that you live within, and create family, community, and all of that. And that is the power of the mother. The moon and the mother are one thing. The most incredible aspect about this moon work, though, as I talk about, is to understand that the moon is the governing force of all of the waters on our planet, including the waters in our body. And so when you're nurturing yourself, when you are creating security for yourself, your mind, how you think about yourself, charges the water in your body. And then the moon pulls you into experiences that match the vibrational frequency of the thoughts that you have about yourself. That's how it works. It's such a mystical, scientific thing that we do with our thoughts, our emotions, how we are here on the planet. How the water magnetizes, how the light reflects from the moon and into our psyche and then creates our experiences. I mean, it's all amazing. And the most amazing thing is that we don't know how it works. Like, it's so fascinating as I learn more and more about how it works to realize just how much I didn't know as I begin to know. So, today the moon is in Aries, and Aries is the energy of beginnings. It is the energy of the warrior. And the reason it is the warrior is because it takes a mighty effort to begin something that didn't exist before, to pull all the energy in one direction to move forward, like the momentum of beginning something, the effort it takes. And so that is the Aries energy, and it just asks us to really be clear about who we are. That's what Aries is. It's like, what is your identity? Who are you? What are you here for? But mostly, who are you? Like, what is your identity? Aries governs the first house, um, in our 360 degrees. Aries is the first degree. And so at the beginning, you get to ask, in the beginning, who am I? Who am I? And that is the energy, the essence, the power by which you start your day, you start your week, by knowing who you are. And who are you? Like, for me, I know that I am a divine being. I am made in the image and likeness of the creator of all things. I am from the cosmos. And that means that my mind is one with the mind of God. That means my heart is one with the heart of God. That means that I am filled with the elements of this universe. I am fire, I am water, I am air, I am ether. I am all of those things that is everything, right? And then how do I choose to use the energy of the frequency of the power of the universe that is within me? How do I choose to direct the force that is within me, that is me? And then how do you choose to direct the force that is you, that is within you? And first and foremost, who are you? Who are you? What is your identity? And these are not things that we need to entirely have answers to. We think that we are somebody's mother or somebody's wife or somebody's employee or somebody's employer. But really, ultimately, what we are is creators. It's as simple as that. We are creators. And what is God? God is a creator, and we are all made in the image and likeness of God, and we are all creators. Our thoughts create. Our we create with our thinking. We create with our feelings. We create with our intentions. We create with our energy. We are always creating. We are creating machines. Our minds are thinking machines, and our bodies are physical expressions of the invisible that we then can move through this set. Earth is a set. Earth is a stage. We can move through this stage being, the characters that we align to, that we decide to be. And so, but ultimately, your identity is the identity as a creator. So today, use this energy to focus on what it is you want to create. Like, this is the energy of Aries, beginning. What is it that you want to create? You're beginning your week. Today is Monday. Many of the kids are getting ready to go to school. And I encourage you in this time, mothers, parents, those of us who are readying our children to school, to spend this week really praying for your children and their success, praying for their minds to be sharp, praying for them to be able to experience harmony this year, praying that they have everything that they need to up-level their lives in the ways that they will be called to up-level their lives, praying that you have everything you need to up-level your life and consciousness, and that you can easily release what no longer is needed for you, and that your children can easily release what no longer is needed for them. So with that in mind, we are at the beginning of a new week, and we are ending a summer pretty soon. It's pretty fascinating. The summer's ending, and kids are going back to school. The energy of the day is warrior energy. The moon is in Aries. The Monday, the energy is of nurturing, caregiving yourself. And so how can you bring a lot of good energy to taking good care of yourself so that you can win this week? So that this week will be more than you imagine that it could be. And all you have to do is set your mind on it. Like, what is it that you want to see occur this week for yourself? See yourself in the experiences that feel good to you, that lift you up, that inspire you. And trust and know that if you can lock in to those experiences in your mind and in your heart, both mind and heart, masculine and feminine, Venus and Mars, because Mars governs the moon in Aries, and Mars is over in Virgo, and I think Venus is over going in too. So literally, it's like organizing your mentality to create your reality in a way that is in alignment with who you are, your identity, a creator. You create your life each and every day, every moment of every day. You created it before you got here, and all you need to do is remember, which is not the easiest thing to do, but if you remember, you will align in ways that are profound. If you'd like to join the Moon Manifestation System, you can do so in my link tree. Thank you for all of you who are joining. I have 102 people are there, and we're working this energy together to align. We support one another, and like I said, manifesting is really just the act of aligning. It's like being where you're supposed to be, to meet who you're supposed to meet, have who you're supposed to have, what you're supposed to have, deliver what you're supposed to deliver, but you have to be aligned in order to do that. So I just said a lot. I'm all over the place. I feel really scattered, but I hope this helps. I am the Moon Mama. My name is Monique, and if you'd like to reach out to me, you can do so through my link tree or through my website, moniqueruffin.com. Please share my videos and make any comments or ask any questions. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.